Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. This is the look I'll be creating for you guys today, so if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm back again with another video. For primer today, I'll be using the BH Studio Pro Anti-Shine Anti-Brilliance Primer. The foundation I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Longwear Illuminating Foundation, and this is in the shade Toast. No, this is in the shade Coffee. I feel like doing some cream contouring, so I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Mahogany. I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter setting powder in Banana. Okay guys, eyeshadow time. And I changed the setting on my camera. I don't know if it's too bright now or what, but I primed my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to go in with eyeshadows. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't set my concealer. I just go straight in with shadow. So from the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, I'll be taking the shade Dranks, so this orange shade, and don't get me involved in any drama with using this palette. I don't care, it's just makeup. Let's get back to the makeup. Okay, so yeah. I don't care what anybody say, this palette is pigmented AF. It's actually a nice palette. Anywho's, going in with the yellow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's. I'm just going to put this on top of the orange. I'm going to go back and forth with those two shadows, the orange and the yellow, just to get a nice blend. The next step is to get a darker shade, so I'm going to go in with Revenge from the Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop. And that's this hair, as well as the brown from the Zulu. You know, I think I should go in with, actually I'm going to go in with with the brown from the Mar palette. This is Colourpop as well. This is Top Down. So I'm just going to go in with straight in with the dark brown. And with blending, you have to go back and forth with the colors, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Blend is so beautiful. Oh, I don't even know if the light is capturing it as well as how it looks in person, but this blend is cute. This blend is nice. I feel like the brown and these two browns, like the browns from this palette and excuse me, and the Shayla palette, I feel like they're similar. It's probably the same brown. I mean, it's the same company that make the two palettes, so why would they make a different dark brown? If you get what I'm saying. In with the brown and just pat that back on the outer V. Okay, the first shadow I'm going to use in my inner corner is Malibu from Colored Rain Cosmetics. I got it shattered, so I keep it in this the sleeve that it came with. So I'm going to put that in my inner corners. The next shadow is from the Mar palette. It's called Gridlock. This one here. Put a darker blue closer to the brown, and this is Blue Magic from Colored Rain. So I'm just taking the black from this the Perception palette, called Stallion and putting it on the outer V because the brown wasn't giving me what I wanted. Now for glow, I'm going in with the Sheila X Colourpop Loose Powder Highlighter in Pose. For lips, I'm just going to do a nude glossy lip using the Adaze New York Liquid Lippy in Hot Couture. I think that's what it's called. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the look. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.